Welcome to the MSC Magnifica. This is a room tour of 5054. It is an ocean view room on deck 5. Let's go inside. All right. So when you walk in, this is what it looks like. This room is able to get 4 people inside of it. As you can see, maybe, there is a huge porthole window. On the side of the beds, it looks like just a little 3-person drawer, a 3-drawer nightstand. No USB, it doesn't look like. Light switch right there. Both sides are pretty standard. Very strange they don't have a USB plug, but they do have nightstands, they do have lamps. Okay, this side of the room, we have 2 chairs with a table. I do not see any kind of power over here. You got a full mirror. Here's the desk area. The TV is okay. It's not the biggest TV, but if you don't care about TV, it's okay. You got a mirror. The desk is pretty nice. You have 2 drawers. Hair dryer. For power, you have 2 international plugs, 2 110 plugs. That's all I see up there. Okay, that's the mini bar. It is locked. And then behind closet door number 1, there's 6 little drawers and a safe, 2 shelves. Behind door number 2, there are a bunch of shelves. Door number 3 is hanging clothes, and door number 4 is the other side. Here is your important information. They left a card in for the air conditioning. That's the main power. Bathroom lights. Old style air conditioning. Alright, you go in the bathroom. It's got a nice look. A nice corner toilet. Plenty of room there. There's your racks. More racks. Shelves. You got 3 shelves. Nice. And then the shower. You do have the curtain. You have 2 shelves in the shower. And you got the handle. Pull bar. Body wash and shampoo. Not too bad at all. This room, we got this on a guarantee. We paid for an inside and they gave us the ocean view room. We cannot guarantee you'll get that every time, but overall, not bad. It's going to be okay for the weekend. Once again, this is an ocean view room on deck 5, room number 5054. Thanks for watching.
That's pretty cool. I like the room. I like the bathroom better than the seashore. The sink isn't in the corner, and the toilet isn't up against the cabinet, so we have knee room.